Thinking of doing a Brazilian wax at home, but afraid of the pain? This method might surprise you. Understanding Brazilian waxing. What is a Brazilian wax? Complete hair removal from the intimate area. Benefits over shaving. Longer lasting, smoother results. No razor bumps. Who should try it? Best for those with experience in waxing, but beginners can try it too. Prepping for a painless wax. Hair length matters. Trim hair to about inch for the best results. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliate a day before to remove dead skin cells. Clean and dry. Wash and dry the area thoroughly to prevent infections. Pain management. Take a pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing if needed. Choosing the right wax for less pain. Hard wax vs soft wax. Why hard wax is best for Brazilian waxing? Grips hair on skin. Pre-made wax strips. Good for quick touch-ups, but not ideal for a full Brazilian. Hypoallergenic options. Best for sensitive skin to avoid irritation. Essential tools you need. Wax kit. Hard wax. Wax warmer. Applicator sticks. Pre-wax cleanser and powder. Helps the wax adhere properly. Post-wax oil or lotion. Soothes the skin and removes wax residue. Step-by-step waxing process without pain. Step 1. Heat the wax until it reaches a honey-like consistency. Step 2. Apply in small sections following hair growth. Step 3. Let it cool and harden slightly before pulling. Pain-free removal technique. Hold skin tight. Reduces discomfort by minimizing skin pull. Breathe out as you pull. Helps relax the body and reduce pain. Pull parallel, not up. Ensures less tugging on the skin. Post-waxing skincare routine. Apply aloe vera or a cooling gel. Soothes irritation. Avoid tight clothing. Prevents friction and ingrown hairs. No hot showers or workouts for 24 hours. Reduces sensitivity and breakouts. Common mistakes to avoid: using wax that's too hot. Can cause burns. Always test first. Applying too thick or too thin layers. A proper medium-thick layer works best. Not holding skin taut. Increases pain and risk of bruising. Preventing and treating ingrown hairs. Exfoliates 2 to 3 times a week. Keeps pores clear. Use tea tree oil or salicylic acid. Helps prevent bumps. Moisturize daily. Keeps skin soft and less prone to irritation. When to avoid waxing. If you have skin conditions, eczema, psoriasis, can cause flare-ups. During your period, skin is more sensitive. After tanning or sunburn, increases irritation risk. Benefits of regular Brazilian waxing. Less hair over time. Hair grows back finer and sparser. No more razor burns. Smooth skin without irritation. Longer lasting results. Can last 4-6 weeks. DIY waxing vs professional waxing. Cost comparison. DIY is much cheaper over time. Convenience. No salon appointments needed. Brazilian waxing at home doesn't have to be scary or painful. Just follow these tips. Best waxing products with Amazon affiliate links. Subscribe for more grooming tips.